Hello everyone, welcome back to this IQ Option Auto Trading Bot series. In this tutorial, we are going to implement data analysis and visualization features. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We will implement three features. The first one is charts. As you can see, the chart depicts equity curve, drawdown curve, number of winners, losers, and the win rate distribution. With the help of this chart, we can get the quick snapshot or the overall performance of particular trading session. Next is daily trade records. For each day, new CSV is created and each CSV is going to record each trade taken by our bot and also the outcome of that particular trade. And the third one is the master CSV. In the master CSV, one record is created per day, and each record is going to contain the overall stats of that particular trading day. The main purpose of the master CSV is that as we collect data over 7 days or 30 days, right, which automatically happens, all we have to do is run our bot, right, and these things are automatically calculated and recorded. So what happens is when we have like 7 days or 30 days of data, then we can see, like, what are the best performing days and what are the worst performing days, and also other statistics, right? So we can compare these things and we can adjust our trading styles accordingly, or we can adjust particular strategies we are implementing like in best possible way. Now let me take you to the code implementation. It has two scripts. First one is single module script, which is tutorial3.py. As you can see, it has over 700 lines of code. It's working as expected, no problem at all. Only issue with this script is that since everything is written in one module, as the code becomes larger, it will be much difficult to manage, and whenever we have to debug or locate a particular error, it will not be easy, it will be challenging. So to get rid of this single module structure, we can implement a modular structure, and we are doing that by creating bot directory, and it contains subdirectory. Each subdirectory contains related modules. As you can see, analytics subdirectory has two modules, charts.py, which is responsible for plotting the chart, and analyzer.py, which is responsible for managing the overall statistics, recording trade, recording overall stats in master CSV. So these two are what we are implementing in tutorial 3, and these two are related. So we are keeping these inside this analytics subdirectory, right? Another directory we have is strategies. So this strategies, as the name suggests, is going to contain all the modules where we implement signal generation logic. Okay, so moving forward, we will be implementing over thousands of strategies known, right? Whatever strategies are available out there in the market, so we will implement those strategies, and we are going to keep all those strategies in this strategies subdirectory. Okay, and after creating the directory and like organizing in a modular way, next we import these modules wherever is required. For example, in bot.py. Okay, so this is how we are importing, and we are using this way. You can see this bot.py, which follows the modular principle, has only 143 lines of code, okay, compared to over 700 lines in tutorial 3. So it's much cleaner to read, much cleaner to manage, and like do whatever kind of debugging we have to do, right? So that's all about in tutorial 3. In tutorial 4 and moving forward, like I mentioned earlier, for time being we will implement as many strategies as possible, and we are going to use it the same way we used in tutorial 1. There is like no changes, in terms of how we use the signal, right? Only things is that each strategy has a different ways of generating the signals. So like some strategies might have only few lines of code, right? And some strategies might have over 100 lines of code, but no problem at all. We are going to create a new module for each strategies, okay? And we are going to keep all those strategies in strategies subdirectory, and we are going to use it accordingly in our pod.py. From now on, we will use pod.py as it follows modular principle. So that's all in this video. In tutorial 4, we are going to implement 3 white shoulder and 3 black roach strategies. Thank you for watching. See you in tutorial 4.